In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed SurveyMonkey in your website, making it easy for your audience to access your survey directly from your web page. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting a market research, or just curious about your audience's preferences, embedding a SurveyMonkey survey can be a game changer. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to surveymonkey.com. This is where all the magic begins. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your surveys. If you're not logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're on the home page, you'll find the All Surveys tab. Click on this to see a list of all the surveys you've created. This is your main hub for managing and tracking surveys. Next, from your list of surveys, select the one you wish to embed. Once you've selected the survey, click the Send Survey button. This is where you will find various options for distributing your survey to your audience. SurveyMonkey offers several distribution methods, but for this tutorial, our focus is on embedding it into your website. After clicking Send Survey, you'll see the option titled More Ways to Send. Click on Website to proceed. This is the section where you can choose how you want to embed your survey onto your web page, and it's crucial for making sure your survey is seamlessly integrated into your site. Now, you'll be prompted with the question, how would you like to embed this survey on your website? SurveyMonkey offers multiple embedding methods such as direct link, pop-up, or inline. Each method has its own benefits depending on how you want your survey to appear to users. For instance, if you want the survey to be a more integral part of your web page layout, consider using the inline method. If you'd prefer a less intrusive option, a pop-up might be best. Choose the method that aligns with your website's design and user experience strategy. Once you've selected your preferred embedding method, SurveyMonkey will generate an HTML code snippet for you. This code is what you'll need to copy and paste into your website's HTML editor. It's a straightforward process, but if you're not familiar with HTML, you might want to consult with your web developer or use a website builder that allows easy code insertion. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a SurveyMonkey survey into your website. Remember, embedding surveys directly into your site can greatly increase your response rate by making it easier for your audience to participate. Plus, it keeps them engaged with your content without having to navigate away from your page. If you have any questions or run into any issues, SurveyMonkey's Help Center offers a wealth of resources to guide you further. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.